Alright, so we're gonna be doing the Bighorn Mine trail up there. Apparently there's another one down that way. But I guess we'll be doing this one today.
That one's 2 miles long, it's 4.5.
See, hopefully everything goes well.
Hopefully we survive.
Hopefully it's not we don't have a descent type of issue. The descent.
I've got his knife in case.
Yeah. Stay ready. It's a long way down. Coming up to the mines in a little bit. Still going strong. Peace. Wow, there it is.
Woo!
That's awesome.
Now that's spooky.
We're gonna go climb all up in that.
Oh my gosh.
This is so cool. Well, we made it
Woo!
to this platform up here.
Insane.
We're gonna see if we can go higher. We're gonna go check it out. I want to find that mine.
Yeah.
It might have been that one back there, but we'll go ahead and see. So, old abandoned structure. Oh, up there.
It goes up there.
There's one. So here's one entrance. It's blocked off, and it literally says, "Don't go in, death."
So it means we go in, right?
Yes.
Yeah, just keep track of like the tunnels that you go through, like left and right and stuff.
Oh, okay.
Because it branches out like miles and miles.
Oh, really?
Oh. This is how we die.
Dude, I've never done this. Ow. Can you see?
Yeah.
Whoa. Yeah, 'cause there's one. Oh, this is where you can go left, you go right. Oh, I think in that one you have to crawl in. So I'm not down for the underground. So just remember, you go straight and then to the right
Straight to the right.
when we come back. Is it water? It is water, huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is water. Oh, look at this little cave in there.
Not down.
We're going a little bit deeper. Let's see how it is. Just going for a little bit more. We're headed back. Dude.
That's.
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure I touched
I'm pretty
it.
sure you touched it.
Now I'm probably gonna have like rabies or a rash. For sure.
This is like some Stranger Things type.
It really is. Ew, we're going all the way up.
Dude, we didn't even notice that the first time.
Ew. Really, really gross.
Like we didn't even I didn't even notice it the first time we came through here. Right? Because this is where we came through, right?
Yeah, and my hands were all up on these walls.
The wall's like, thank you. It probably wasn't even like that until you touched it. He got it excited. Look it, it's all over the place.
Oh dear gosh, definitely touched.
Were we so nervous that we didn't even bother to look around?
I think so.
Like literally, it's
Like,
everywhere.
It's disgusting.
Hey, let me see what it is.
No, you're gonna touch it?
No, with my knife.
Oh, okay.
Here, hold it.
Oh my gosh. It's like, oh what? It's like a rock.
It's solidifying. It's like calcium. Or something.
It's weird.
Yeah, it does.
That's wild.
So there's the exit. We made it. Dark as hell, as you can see. Pitch black. And that's the promised land. Get out of here. We made it. Home sweet home. Probably one of the more scarier things I've ever done. But definitely one of the coolest.